Status briefing. We have one critical issue right now. Batch BO 24093, the probiotic on line 1, is on hold at 55% complete. We've got a pH deviation measuring 7.3 against a target of 6.8. Quality is investigating, and the line is down until we resolve it. Related to that, we have an equipment fault on line 1. The ribbon blender, EQ115, is showing high vibration and the PM is overdue by 6 days. This needs immediate attention since it's tied to our held batch. On the positive side, line 3 is wrapping up batch BO 24090, the magnesium glycinate. It's at 96% with a strong yield of 97.1%, so that's on track to close out clean. Line 2 has a medium risk situation. Batch BO 24092, vitamin D3, is at 38% through granulation, but moisture levels are trending high. We need to watch that closely to avoid going out of spec. Line 4 is running smoothly. Batch BO 24091, OMEGA3 soft gels, is at 72% encapsulation with low risk. Overall plant performance, we're at 81.4% OEE today, up 2.1% from yesterday. We have 4 open quality events with 1 high severity. D365 posted 6 transactions at 9:30 this morning. Bottom line, priority 1 is getting line 1 back online. Let's resolve that pH issue and get that blender serviced. The AI Plant Copilot is now live and tracking all batches and equipment across your lines. Right now, we have 3 priority issues. On line 1, batch BO 24093 is on production hold due to a pH deviation, and equipment EQ115 is showing high vibration, putting it at fault risk. Over on line 2, batch BO 24092 has moisture levels trending out of spec. I'm here to answer any questions about batches, equipment status, quality events, or system syncs. Just ask me anything or use the quick action buttons.